Let us start how to describe a plant with the help of the Bentham and Hooker system. As I have already told you that the Bentham and Hooker system is easily workable for the field identification point of view. So I will show you how to describe a family and how to identify the genus as well as the species with the help of the Bentham and Hooker system. And no doubt Bentham and Hooker system is the natural system of classification, and I have already told you that the natural system is just to select 2 or 3 characters which is all available in the plants. It can be seen by the naked eye. So on that basis, how we can identify the family as well as the genus and species with the help of the Bentham and Hooker system. As I told you, the Bentham and Hooker system is divided into 2 subclasses, that is the phanerogams and cryptogams. The phanerogams is having the flowering plants, where the cryptogams is covering with the algae, fungi. So we will deal with only the phanerogams. In the phanerogams, we have divided to classes, that is the monocotyledony and dicotyledony. And between the monocot and dicot, there is a gymnosperm. So it doesn't have any correlation either with the dicot or with the monocot, but the gymnosperm has been placed in between the dicot and monocot. So first we have to move with the dicot. So dicot has been divided into polypetally, gamopetally and monochlamydy. As I told you that the polypetally means the petals are free, as indicated in this flower. This is the example of the polypetally. It means the petals are like free. It doesn't united with their petals. They doesn't united. That's why it is called as free. And another main characteristic of the Malvaceae, it is called as the Malvaceae. How do you identify the Malvaceae on the basis of the morphological characters? As Bentham and Hooker identified that the Malvaceae will have the free lateral stipules. In this case, the free lateral stipules, as it is indicated over here, these are the stipules which are free. As we said that our eyes, this is the free lateral. This is the stipules, and which are the free lateral. As you can understand with the example of your ears. These ears are free and it occupies the lateral position. That's why we are calling that the free. Similarly, in this case, this one is the stipules and it is free. It is not united. It is not connected, not united with anyone. And what are the stipules? How do you define the stipule? If there is any structure present at the base of the petiole, this is the petiole, and if any structure present at the base of the petiole, it will be called as stipules. So in this case, this structure is present at the base of the stipule, so I would call it the stipules, and it is free. It doesn't have any unity with the petiole. So this is one of the main characteristic of the family Malvaceae. You can see in this case, you can see more easily. These are the stipules which are present at the base of the petiole. So on that basis we can identify the family. So free lateral stipules is one of the basic character of the family Malvaceae. And in Malvaceae, again you go through the, it is one of the example of the Thalamiflorae. In Thalamiflorae, the thalamus is flat. How would you identify the flat thalamus? As I already discussed with the, suppose this is the, pen utha dena. Suppose this is the ovary, as in this case, ovary is situated here at the base. And if I said that you have to find out the thalamus, whether it is the flat or it is disc shape or it is cup shape, yeah, calcifluory, whatever it is. This is the ovary, and it occupies the top position. If we remove the ovary, then we will find it the thalamus, and this thalamus is of disc shape. It is hypogynous. Thalamus is flat. Hypogynous. Hypogynous, how would you define the hypogynous? Suppose this is the ovary. We cannot flat, these are the flower parts. If this is the ovary. So if the ovary occupies the top position and all the flower parts arises from the base of the ovary, all the flower parts arises from the base of the ovary, then the flower will be of hypogynous and ovary will be of superior. In this case, the thalamus is flat. This is the thalamus, which is the flat, and ovary occupies the top position I have already shown. In this case, it is hypogynous flower. Then, as I said, instead of the free lateral stipules, there is one more character, particularly in case of the Malvaceae. In case of the Malvaceae, it is epicalyx are there. Here it is epicalyx. These are the epicalyx. It is found only in the Malvaceae. While if we talk about the free lateral stipules, this is one of the example, that is the Sida. It is in this case the lateral stipules is not there. It is one of the exception of the Malvaceae. This doesn't have any free lateral stipules. So in this case, you have to remember that it is the exception of the Malvaceae which do not have the epicalyx. While in all the family members, except the Abutilon as well as the Sida, it doesn't have the free lateral stipules, while all the members are having the free lateral stipules. And one more character, that is the epicalyx over here. So I said that it is the polypetally, member of the polypetally. So this is the calyx. Calyx are gymosepalous. They are united. They are united and forming a calyx tube. On that calyx tube, all the petals, free petals are arranged. So we can identify through these characters. And one more character which I have told you, that the reniform anther. So thus we can see in this case it is, please make it close, the anther lobe is reniform, and it is of, reniform means kidney shape. The anther is kidney shape, while none of the family which having the kidney shape anther which are in your course. So Malvaceae is the only family in your syllabus that is having the reniform anther lobe. So through this, and we can identify the family Malvaceae, as well as in hibiscus. The one more character to describe the hibiscus. Hibiscus, there is a particular character, that is epipetalous condition. Epipetalous, the stamens are united with the petal because there is a staminal tube which passes. This is the, if we remove, very precautionary, there are 5 stigmas over there. These stigma, number of the stigmas indicated that the number of the carpels. These are the stigmas. The number of the stigmas indicate the number of the carpel in most of the cases, but it is not compulsory. And this stigma must have a style. This style passes through this staminal tube. This is called as staminal tube. This is the character of the Malvaceae. And you can identify with the help of the reniform anther lobe, free lateral stipules, reniform anther, epipetalous condition, epicalyx, So on that basis, we can easily say that this family is having the characteristic which already described in the Bentham and Hooker system, and one more character through which roughly we can identify. This is if we rub this leaf, or you can say the petals, you will feel a mucilage substance over there. You will feel a mucilage substance. The mucilage is also one of the character of the hibiscus. So on that basis we can identify that this is the given material, maybe of the family Malvaceae as well as maybe of hibiscus, because of the hibiscus having the epipetalous condition, reniform anther lobe, epipetalous condition of the calyx, petals as well as the stamens, and with this help we can identify this family nowadays. What is monoadelphous condition? The stamens, the group of the stamens, or all the stamens are arranged in a single group, that is mono. Mono means one. So all the stamens are arranged in a single group, as this is the condition. This is all the stamens, and that are arranged in a single group, that is called as the. These are the stamens which are arranged in a single group. That's why we call this the monoadelphous condition, and monoadelphous condition is found only in case of the Malvaceae. So this is one of the most important character when we are identifying the family. So this with the help of this system, we can identify the family as well as the genus and the species in then and there. If you are in the field, so on the basis of these characters, we can identify the family very easily. Now come to the next plant.